In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invite others to access your Google Ads account. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, go to the left sidebar, look for Admin, and click on it. Then from the Admin settings, click on Access and Security. There, you can see all the accounts that has access to manage yours. For mine, as you can see, it's only me, and I want to add another admin who can manage my account. So I'll go to the Users tab and click the plus icon. Then in the window that appears, enter the email address of the person you want to invite and choose the time limit that the access expires. Choose their access level, like Admin, Standard, or Read Only. I'll choose Admin. Then at the bottom, click Send Invitation. The person will receive an email and must accept the invitation. Once accepted, they'll have access to your Google Ads account. And that's it. That's how you invite others to access your Google Ads account. Thanks for watching.